name or pronoun, should, and then the expectation that you have for them. Ready, set, go.
They should, what else?
Whatever expectation you have for them.
They should be accommodating with time.
Okay, now, what's the emotion that you feel right now?
Sad.
Okay, do you feel it in your body or you feel it in your brain?
Body.
Okay, got it. Now, all I want you to do is take out the word should and put the word could in there and say the same sentence. Ready, set, go.
They could be accommodating with time.
Same emotion or different?
Different.
Okay, and now what's the response? What is this stuff with your face and your teeth showing, and what is that? That's
I don't know, I just always smile.
Okay, awesome. But now, did you feel anything happen in your body when you said the good part?
Yeah.
What? How would you describe it?
Relief.
Relief. So this is what I want to throw at you for a moment, and by the way, your brain's not going to like this, because this is going to mean that you're going to get to be more happy and joyous in life if you're listening. Your brain doesn't want that for you. It just wants you to be right. That's it. Okay? That's it. It just wants you to be right. How many of you ruin relationships because you were being right about something instead of just being okay with it? Alright? So consider that relief you felt is the expectation that you put on yourself for that person, and when you take away the expectation, instead of saying the word should, you say the word could. That relief is all that stress and all that expectation that you've had for that person for how many years?
2.
2 years you've had this expectation for them, and now you can just let it go. See, that's the power that we have. We have the power to completely de-stress ourselves if we choose to take responsibility